For years, JBL has established itself as a benchmark in the audio field, offering products that combine technology, accessibility, and performance. Today, we're checking out the JBL Live Beam 3 true wireless earbuds featuring an innovative touch case and record battery life. With these earbuds, JBL promises balanced sound, optimal comfort, and advanced features that meet the expectations of the most demanding users. So, do they live up to that ambition? For those who want to check out all the details or jump straight to the purchase, the link is in the description. The JBL Live Beam 3 features a classic yet incredibly effective design. Their matte finish, available in several colors, like black, blue, silver, or purple. It adds a sleek and modern touch that can adapt to any style. With their tip in 4 different sizes, these earphones ensure optimal comfort even during long listening sessions. Weighing over 5 grams, and their excellent stability makes them a great choice for everyday use. Although the fit can sometimes be a bit lacking for the most intense sports activities. The charging case stands out with its OLED touchscreen. This screen allows you to access quick settings without needing to pull out your smartphone. Even if it's a bit bulkier and heavier, at 73 grams, it's still compact enough to be practical for everyday use. Finally, with an IP55 rating, these earbuds are resistant to dust, splashes, and sweat, ensuring durability in various situations. The JBL Live Beam 3 features cutting-edge audio technology. Their sound signature is carefully balanced, with deep bass that adds punch, precise mids for optimal clarity, and detailed highs that complete the audio experience. The soundstage, wide and immersive, is perfect for long listening sessions or fully appreciating complex tracks. They support LDAC, AAC, SBC, codecs, and Bluetooth 5.3. With multipoint, you can connect up to 2 devices at the same time without any interruptions. In terms of battery life, they last up to 10 hours with noise cancellation turned on, and their case allows for an impressive total of 40 hours. The case charges via USB-C or wirelessly, offering flexibility. Welcome to fit your needs. The features include active noise cancellation, ANC, the noise reduction modes, talk-through and aware, as well as wear detection that automatically pauses playback when you take an earbud out. These options enhance an already rich user experience. The touch controls on the Live Beam 3 are intuitive and responsive, even though they aren't fully customizable. By default, the gestures let you control playback, ANC modes, and talk-through, but volume adjustment isn't included out of the box. However, through the JBL headphone app, you can adjust these controls to your liking. The app is a real asset. It offers a customizable equalizer that lets you tailor the sound to your taste, the spatial module for a more immersive experience, and the personalization option that analyzes your hearing to add a unique sound signature. The noise cancellation is effective at low frequencies, but it shows its limits when faced with more complex or high-pitched noises. Finally, the Aware mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings, although it's not as natural as that of the AirPods Pro 2. The JBL Live Beam 3 offers better battery life and an innovative touch case, but with less effective noise cancellation and durability for sports. Compared to the Jabra Elite 8 Active, they are banking on the innovation of the case at the expense of increased durability for sport. These earbuds are definitely a great option for those looking for good value for money with modern features. In summary, the JBL Live Beam 3 are an ideal choice for users who prefer extended battery life, exceptional wearing comfort, and comprehensive features. All of this comes at a competitive price. Their innovative design and audio performance perfectly meet everyday needs. In conclusion, the JBL Live Beam 3 are true wireless earbuds that stand out for their battery life, comfort, and balanced sound quality. Their touch case adds a touch of innovation, although it could still use some improvement. With an attractive price and a range of varied features, they make for an excellent choice for everyday use. If you're looking for earbuds that combine performance and battery life, these JBL Live Beam 3 are just what you need. The link to learn more or to buy them is in the description. Every click to buy through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, to like the video if you found it helpful, and to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.